For this lesson, we're going to talk about obstruction. And in this, we're going to learn about how we can use obstruction to maybe block the way that sounds are able to be introduced inside of the engine. So we have an area entity, an audio area entity, and we have a shape. And in this, if we were to go inside of it, we would hear the cave mysterious sound. And that's what's going off right now. And we can tell because of this red ball. So if we were to move around, we would be able to see it update in real time. So what we're interested in now is actually being able to block or obstruct this ball from being able to play. And we can do this quite easily inside of this shape object. So highlighting this, we can go in and we want to click the display sound info. And in doing so, we have this bright green box shape. And with that, we're able to see, like if we have the roof or we have the floor, we're immediately able to cull that data to where it doesn't fire off inside or outside. So it will always stick to that one point. You'll notice that it doesn't actually come over this area, but if I come over to the side, it's able to go there. So what happens if I actually make it everywhere, but I cull the sides? So now we have a red ball that otherwise, if I can get back to here, can only show up on the top and the bottom, but it actually can't show up on these walls. So if I were to come down, you can see that now it's in the floor. So it's a simple concept of being able to pick, generally speaking, which walls the actual sound is able to penetrate through or broadcast from. So a good case in this, it wouldn't just be the roof or the floor. Everything's blocked off, but say we had a side, or this one over here. This may be where there's a door, an opening, or maybe a window, where sound would be able to protrude through instead of being blocked. So this is what obstructions can be used for, and it can be nested with other things inside of an object, and you can get complex overlapping sounds quite easily just by using the simple obstruction method.